It's really late. It's like 11 o'clock. I decided to rearrange my room because I'm bored. Let's get started. Trash. Oh, I forgot about that.
Downtown back street, he says he needs someone like me, but he don't know that all I want is me, myself, and I.
What?
I'm so confused right now. Okay, so I'm like the only guy in this game because it's supposed to be like some girls game.
Oh, maybe because you are a girl, Leo.
Oh, give me fart. Oh, like, never mind.
I like nothing in here.
You did my hunger with empty promises. Yes, I know your face. Have you forgotten your place? It's over there.
Cleaner.
Cleaner, I'll break up with me.
Dear jeez, you're playing with 12-year-old.
You don't know that all I want is me, myself, and I. Uptown creeping, I don't mind you leaving, cause in the end my
You don't me. Bro, I'm watching everything.
voice, abandoned by my choice to branch out before I lash out and do something I regret. Please don't call, leave that phone alone. I'm gonna snap, it's gonna crack, and you have to call an Uber.
Lift it. Sorry, words I don't understand.
It's gonna run over my toes.
Really? Careful. Want me to go on that side then?
Sure. I forgot my everything.
Except your vest.
Whoa.
Wow. Whoa.
Pumpkin.
What? This is currently the room. Got a plant from Aldi. This one was around $15. It was like $14.99. I don't know if I showed you this yet, but flowers that were on sale. Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you the finished room because I finished it. So yeah, right now I have my heater in here because it's pretty chilly. And then this is the mirror. Don't mind the mess, that's all my schoolwork. This is from TJ Maxx. It's like a mini mirror almost. Not really, but like it's not as tall. So I put it on top of this woven chest. And then we have a snake plant. This is from, I think I showed you this, but I got it from Aldi. Music stand is there and violin. I have a trash can down there because I don't know where else to put it. Oh yeah, this is another like woven basket. I'll just put everything in there. To me it's organized, but if you look at it, it looks so trashy. Hi everyone, sorry for the lighting, but thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, this lighting is really bad. That's all I have to say. Oh yeah, sorry I'm uploading this late. Oh, I'm sorry I'm uploading this late. Busy week. I feel like that's every week, but this week is just really busy. Thank you for watching. Bye.